Ready. Ready pala. Up. Release ng safety. Unahin yung pag-release ng safety bago ipasok yung trigger finger sa trigger. Front side, thread side. Slowly pull the trigger. Follow through.
Ha?
Okay, hammer down, safety up. Down. Trigger finger out.
Bakit ano okay na?
Down.
Ano okay na?
Down. Up 50.
Bumili ka na naman ng bago.
Oh, ready. Trigger finger out. Ready.
Ano na?
Up. Release safety.
Ito tayo na.
Trigger slap. Front side, rear side. Slowly pull the trigger. Follow through.
Ito si Kanting kasama ko. Nick.
Okay, hammer down. Safety up. Trigger finger out.
Yes, ma'am.
Hammer down. Safety up. Hold step. Card. Ready position. Down.
Magbalis lang.
Ready. Up. Follow through.